Today we're gonna be reviewing rechargeable electric scissors. Here's what comes in the box. You got USB-A to USB Type-C cable. That's for recharging. You got a manual. Tells you everything you need to know about the electric rechargeable scissors. Read it, because some of us don't read and then we mess up. I'm one of those people. I don't read them, but unless I need them. Have an extra blade. It's pretty good. And we got the electric scissors. Nice green color. Beautiful. I like it. Has a nice grip. Well, it tells you how much charge you have. That's pretty cool. And then it has it does 320 RPM, so it's pretty fast. It cuts cardboard. It cuts fabric. It cuts anything you put through this. It will cut it. It will make it easier to cut cardboard and stuff, because you know how hard cardboard is to cut. This is the tool that you need to cut. Will help you cut straight. It's convenient, rechargeable. That's your port right there. It's safe. You can't get cut because it has a guard here. They won't let you get cut unless you find a way to get cut, because there's always one. Turn it on. That's it. Okay, so to start using it, it has a lock. So unless you press this button, it won't go unless you press it. So to press it, to see how much charge you got, you press it, and then to use it, you have to press this lock button, and then you cut. And it has a light too. So that's pretty cool. Let's get some cardboard and cut it and see how it does. These are self-sharpening too. So they sharpen themselves here. It has like a piece that sharpen the blade while you use it. So that's super convenient. Price range is amazing. I think it's a 1500 milliamp battery, so it was gonna charge you. It's gonna last you a long time. You're not gonna use it every day, right? Or if you do, then just do it and recharge it, and you're ready to go. If you work in a warehouse that you're always cutting, if you're always cutting board, you're always cutting cardboards, or doing a lot of cutting, then I would suggest you to recharge it every time that you leave, or make sure to check the batteries good. You can use it as a little flashlight too. It's not a huge light, but at least it's something. So let's get some cardboard and I'll be back. I had a box there for my other review, so here's a box. Put this here, right there. Press the lock, and here you go. That's sharp. That was fast too. Put it there, hit the lock, and go. Cut. Beautiful, precise cut. This is amazing. Cuts with ease. See it here, and then let's see it. Cuts with ease. You can cut anything. You can cut paper. There's some paper here. It cuts through everything and anything. So if you're looking for a wireless scissors that cuts through everything, that is well priced, well made, give you the battery, has a flashlight, and it's very convenient, here's your product. So I hope this video helped, and thank you.